Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning speed controlling or speed management of videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Sometimes you may have some video clip that's really quite slow in speed, and sometimes you may have some videos that are really quite fast in speed. So how you are going to control or manipulate the speed of videos? So let me show you an example. This is a video clip from our exercise file, and this video clip I used before, and this is a video of an elephant. And you can take a look. The duration of this video clip is 15 seconds. So let me play this one. You can take a look. The video clip was playing and the speed of walking elephant is quite slow. But if you want to increase the walking speed of elephant, then you have to increase the speed. And if you want to move this elephant faster, then you have to increase the speed of this video. So let's increase the speed of video and let's move this elephant faster. But when you will increase the video, the duration of the time of your video will be decreased. So let's take a look. To increase the video, you just have to right click with your mouse on the video file, and then you will get this speed or duration option. So you just have to click over here, and then a pop-up will be appeared. Right now we have 100% speed and the duration we have 15 seconds. So we are going to increase the speed of walking elephant, and in that case we have to increase the speed. So right now we have 100% speed, and I'm going to make it 150%. And once we increase the speed of video, then the duration will be decreased, as I was saying. Right now it's showing that the duration of this video file will be 10 seconds. So let me click OK. Okay, so let me play this video clip. Okay, it works more faster than before, but if you want to make it more faster, then you can increase the speed as well. So you just have to right click with your mouse once again, then you just have to go for speed or duration. And right now we have 150%, but if you want to increase more, you can move it very easily. You can increase the video speed more than 1000% or more, and that depends on the length of your videos. So right now we have 150%, but I'm going to increase the speed for 250%. Okay. You can use your mouse for increasing the speed, and you just have to pull it right side for increasing the speed, or for decreasing you have to move your mouse in left side, or you can put the manual value in here. Okay, right now we have 250%, and it seems we have 6 seconds the duration. So let me click OK. Okay, right now we have 6 second duration. So let me play the video clip. So right now the elephant is moving faster than before. So this is the simple process for increasing the video speed, and if you want to decrease the video speed, you can do that easily. In that case, you have to go for less than 100% speed. And to reduce the video speed, let me show you how you are going to reduce the speed of video. You just have to follow the same process. You just have to right click with your mouse. You have to go for speed and duration. Right now we have 250%, as the standard speed was 100%. So if you want to decrease or reduce the speed, then you have to go for less than 100%. So you can type it manually over here. Let me type manually. Okay, right now we have 100%, and this is the standard speed. This is the real speed of this video. Let me play this one. Okay, cool. But right now I'm going to decrease the speed, and to decrease we have to go for less than 100%. So right click, speed and duration, and I'm going to decrease the speed for 50%, and in that case the duration of this video will be increased. So you can put 50% manually over here, or you can use the mouse for reducing the speed. Okay, 50%. Let me click OK, and you can take a look. The duration of the video will be 31 seconds. Let me click OK. Okay, the length of the video is increased and the speed of the video is decreased. So let me play this one. The elephant is moving very slowly, as because we reduced the speed of this video. So this is the simple process for increasing and decreasing the speed of the video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So see you in next lesson.